Okay, Krista, check this out. So this is our remodeled new loft. I present to you the room tour. So the TV stands right here now. Then I have my yoga studio and my the laptop. Now we have a little lantern here in shape of pineapples. And then there is a little shelf with a little different statues. And I changed the lanterns to go right across. Now we have the beanbag here, and I bought a giant yellow beanbag that's memory foam beanbag, so should be good. Then the couch is here with a nice lamp and the yoga mat. So overall, this is what it's gonna look like. We might change it just a little bit more, but I think it's pretty good, don't you think? Takes a little adjusting to, but kind of neat and kind of cozy. Okay,